are. We begin a new day in Paris. And what you do find in Paris, still they have tradition. You come to butchers to really serve the finest quality meat. And you inside. Which you can always accompany with a bottle of wine. And the amazing thing about Paris is you always have a beautiful view. Wherever you look, architecture, people, absolutely stunning. I love Paris in the morning. I love Paris late at night. I think there's a lot of truth in that. Wherever you look and wherever you go in central Paris, it's a film set. Absolutely stunning film set. So, let's go for a little walk. Check out Paris. And if you really want to, you can go to the pub and have some cuisine maison in central Paris. Alternatively, you can always pick up a postcard. I think these are the more interesting ones. The Eiffel Tower. I have no idea. The city of love. The city of music and dance. Happiness. And I see a little carpaccio, or carpacciati, of course. The Eiffel Tower with a full moon. Incredible. That is Paris. And of course you'll find the Eiffel Tower in many different formats. You can even buy your own. Either here, or buy the Eiffel Tower from some Nigerian man. There you are. Souvenir belle. And that's because we all love Paris. And we're very lucky to be at this junction, right in front of us. You can go to the Musée Yvette, which is incredible. You have the Bureau de Poste, and of course, we're blessed to have the French flag. Very good stuff. People are creative. You can even buy bananas on the street. I can see a lot of new vendors popping up all over Paris. This one in particular is next to Metro Politain. And wherever you look, the architecture is absolutely stunning. And the lovely thing is, all the avenidas actually have trees, so it's beautiful as well. And bicycles are very popular. The good news is, with the bicycle lanes, buses and bicycles can use the lanes. Let's have a little walk. This is actually Avenue Kléber in the 16th. I think people really, they hire bicycles. I think how you sound, you should really get a helmet on one day and go for a bike ride around Paris. And everything is really nice here. Even the restaurants preparing to serve lunch. People are very fashionable. We have another French flag. And a nice restaurant. Amazing. A hill leading off into the distance. And of course in Paris, you'll find some pretty nice cars. A Rolls Royce. Isn't that amazing? So of course what runs hand in hand is Bentley with Rolls Royce. In the centre of Paris. I wonder which one's prettier.